the washrooms. Right here. Jeez. This is Omar's room.
Yeah, I got the solo room. Yes.
Pretty nice, you know, he's by himself, bro. He's got some paintings right here, got a map, yo.
It's beautiful.
Key. This, Alejandro and I are sharing this room, the bunk bed. I'll be on the top, on the bottom. See it, bro. Got some closet right here. First aid kit. Then we have another washroom. It's pretty much the same as the first one. Alright guys, we're gonna show you from the outside. So this is our door right here. We got actually this keypad.
Oh wait, let me bring mine.
So we got a keypad, it's pretty sick. So we get in, man. It looks pretty cool, the place. This is the stairs right here. This is dog right here, this Mikey. The dog's coming out. Right. Buenos dias, sí. It's Portuguese, I'm not Spanish now, okay, bro? My name is Saul. Not Zarul, okay, bro? Saul.
What do you guys want to?
Where's the elevator? Look at the elevator, guys. Jeez.
We're just gonna say let's take the stairs.
It's this, right?
This floor right
Probably
here.
this.
Yeah, I think that one. Well, yo, check out the elevator, man. Better than Toronto, bro. Jeez. Mexico is developed. Very developed.
A little bit. A little bit.
Yeah.
But there's like a baby.
Look at this, guys. You got Mercedes right there. It's amazing. Yeah, the layout in this condo style is amazing, bro. Got the garden open, you know. It's pretty cool, yeah. Yeah, it's like a maze. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Girls with their nails done.
Sorry about this.
I think this guy always comes to the Hey, I don't know the person.
The person is, ¿Qué?
¿Por qué? Por favor? No. I think he's like, yo, it's good to see you. It's gonna be yo, bro. Oh, shit.
Girls with their nails done.